Good morning everyone. We'll start with class 6, subject social science. We'll start with geography chapter 4, that is map. So in this video we are going to discuss what is a map, essential features of a map like title, map scale, direction, conventional symbols and map key. For understanding geography, we require some learning aids. These aids including map, globe, plan, sketch, aerial photography of the earth, etc. Each aid has its own uses, advantage and limitation. First we talk about map. So what is a map? The earth is almost spherical in shape, just like an orange. It is slightly flat at the pole and bulbous at the equator. The globe is a three-dimensional miniature model of the earth. A globe is useful when we want to study the earth as a spherical planet which rotates on its axis. But the globe also has its limitation when we want to study a small or large part of the earth, that is country, a state or district, town, village. The globe is not of much help. For this we require map. A map is a drawing or visual representation of the earth's surface or part of it drawn on a flat surface according to a scale. A map shows countries, towns, rivers, several land features, water bodies, man-made structure, etc. So making of a map is a technically skilled work and it is done by a person qualified in this art. The art and science of making map is called cartography. It derived from Greek word chartis meaning map and graphian meaning to write. A person who makes map is called a cartographer. A book of map is known as atlas. It contains a variety of maps. An atlas may also have some geographic information, usually as a beginning at an index at the end. The index gives the latitudinal and longitudinal location to important cities and towns. Advantages of a map. Map provide information than the globes, more information than the globes. Map provide detail as well as accurate even for small areas. And there are various types of map providing different type of information. Now we talk about essential features of a map. There are 5 essential features of a map. These are also called the components of a map. First one is title, second is map scale, then direction, then conventional symbol, and last one is map key or legend. So first we talk about the title. The title indicate what the map is about. For example, a map title World Physical will shows different natural or physical division of the world. Next example, a map title India Political will show state, union, territories and their capital. So next we talk about map scale. What is map scale and how it helps find distance between the places on the map. A map reduces the entire world or part of it to fit on any size of paper. This reduction is done very carefully so that the distance between the places on the map is shown in the proportion to the actual distance between them on the ground. The distance of map is shown with the help of a scale. The scale of a map is defined as the ratio between the distance on a map and the actual distance on the ground. Let's understand scale with the help of an example. Suppose the distance between your home and your school is 10 km. How will you show this on a sheet of paper? You will have to reduce the distance in such a manner that real distance can be understood. For this purpose, we need a scale. If you show the distance is 10 km on the ground by 1 cm on the ground on the map, the scale of the drawing will be 1 cm equal to 10 km. Hence, a scale is very important in any map. If you know the scale of the map, you can calculate the actual distance between any two places on the surface of the earth. Okay, there is a question regarding home assignment. First one is define scale of a map. Second one is define map and globe both. Thank you.